First, take some orange watercolor and dip the index finger in it. Now, make impressions in the lower part of the picture frame. This makes half of the face of the deer. Now, make impressions on the top of this. Now, dip your thumbs in light brown color and make impressions on the fingerprints you have just made. Next, dip the sides of your palm in black color and make impressions on the top for the horn. Use white watercolor to mark the eyes and using a black marker pen, make the nostrils and eyeballs of the deer. This completes your palm and fingerprinting deer. That is really easy to make.